Hello, this is about your Works Consulted page for your websites. Now be reminded that you are doing research in order to complete all of the research questions, and so this will be the same throughout the rest of this unit. And so today, when you begin working on your timeline, the next, when you do geography, when you learn about the different people, you are going to be going to different websites. And so you will have to turn this Works Consulted page in each and every time you turn in a major assignment for this research unit. And so what you will do is that you will tell what is the title. So if it is a title, if it's the American Revolution through the years. I don't know. I'm just making that up. Okay. Then what is the title of the website? It is from History and You. Sorry, I just noticed that there is an example done for you. So we're just going to go with that. And so what you will do is you will put the title of the article or page, what is the title of the website, what is the actual web address, which you can copy and paste this part, and what's the date that you accessed it. So if you accessed it today, it's 12/6/2020. And so you will make sure 12/7, whatever day you access the information. So if you have any questions, please let me know.